Hello guys, I'm going to. My
name?
name is KK, and today I'm cooking with Mommy.
Okay.
She's my best superstar.
Okay. So what are you cooking today?
I'm cooking.
What's this?
I'm cooking meat with fry.
Okay.
So we have our meat.
What do you have here?
We have soap.
Salt. Good. Can we put some salt in?
Yes.
Hold it.
Mommy, I want to do it by myself.
Okay. And you can add this. So what's this?
Onion.
Okay. Seasoning. Seasoning. So put all your seasonings inside. Good job. Alright. So we have
Ginger garlic.
okay. That's enough. So if you don't leave here,
Pepper.
this is hot.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Careful,
by myself.
careful.
Okay.
Put it.
And when I leak it, my gonna get hot.
So that's why you shouldn't leak like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's time to stir. Let's go.
It looks yummy. I wanna do it by myself.
Careful with the pepper, Karis.
I wanna do it by myself.
Okay. There you go.
Wait for 10 minutes.
Alright.
Wait for it to boil.
Okay, good.
Bye bye.
And again,
It smells good. It smells good.
I say no.
Hello guys. I'm gonna check my meat if it's good.
Okay, so when you're
The meat is very yummy. It smells yummy. Went back.
okay.
So get back to my snack time. I want to eat this.
Remove it now. Down.
I'll start again. Okay, guys, the fry is ready. And we have chicken and fry.
Okay. Do you want to give T-Boy some?
Yes.
Yeah, put some for T-Boy.
A big plate.
Then we got put chicken for him. And then you're forgetting something.
I'm going to press.
Okay. That's okay. Take it to
Dad, this is for you.
Titi. Give it to him. Give it to T-Boy.
For you. And there's ketchup here. If you want the ketchup, just eat the ketchup with the fries.
Titi, what do you say to Karis?
Thank you. I'm the best sister. You're the best cook ever. I thank you.
So how do you feel, Karis?
Happy! So happy!
Oh,
And I love my mommy.
I love you too, baby.
She's a superstar.
Oh.
All day.
I have to just eat some first. Nice.
Okay. And inside it tastes yummy.
Yummy. Enjoy. Tell your friends bye.
Bye.
See you in my next video.
See you in my next video.
Okay, bye.
Bye. And